I'm the Bush Cook brother. I'm the one that's got a bit of common sense.
You can't even say it right.
Did you put your fungus? You did. You wiped your face all over the nice. Just get a nice clean shirt and wipe it, because he slobbered on it. You ready?
So far we've actually seen Mark, the other brother, make buttery broth. Now it's Paul's turn.
Everybody does it different. This is how I do it. But I put the butter on much the same way as Mark. I'm not as fussy. Just put a chunk on, and then I put the same amount of Vegemite on as I would normally put on my bread to make a Vegemite sandwich, which is not a lot because I can't handle a lot of Vegemite. So that's that. Then I put it into my cup, not Mark's cup. Add the water.
You should probably put it in the cup.
Stir it up.
You want to put some Milo in there?
There you go, hot buttery broth. Great use of stale bread, if you got it. But this was nice and fresh bread, so that's hot buttery broth my way. Yum. Thank you.